Hello, welcome. This is Purpose Creations. Thanks for watching my videos. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do your simple fascinator. The items you are going to use fascinator wire, our flour, our fabric, thread and needle, wire cutter, scissors, comb, feathers, tape measure, bias stripe, then our glue gun and glue stick. Let's get started. We are going to cut wire. We are going to measure 35 inches. Be careful not to cut yourself. And secure it with our paper tape. So this is what we have. After, we are going to cover the wire with our bias. So you see how the bias look like. It's folded in. So this is where we are going to secure our bias, but we are going to use our glue to hold that in position. So we are just going to be pressing our glue and we So we've covered the wire with the bias. We are now coming to wrap with our fabric. So you would put it like this. Then you would bring it to the middle. Have to, then it should be in the middle of the circle. Then you squeeze it small. You squeeze it. Then you get your thread and needle. If you want it to curl out, you would squeeze it more. So with your thread, then you squeeze it gently, and you go all around. Then you cut your excess fabric so that it will be easy for you to work with. Then you tie it. Now we are coming to cover this part, so we just have to trim the fabric. We are coming to apply our feathers, so I'll use my glue. So we are covering the knots there. See, the thread and needle is still there. It's because we are going to use it. So this is where we will attach our comb. Then you attach the comb. Then we will sew about 1 or 2. Then this time we are allowing our fascinator to dry out. The glue, we are allowing it to dry out. Now our glue is dry, so this is our fascinator. Hope you've really enjoyed it. It's very simple to do.